Welcome to Chilika Lake, a serene lagoon nestled in the heart of Odisha, India. With its tranquil waters and stunning natural beauty, the must-visit destination for any traveler. This lake is the largest coastal lagoon in India and the largest brackish water lagoon in the world. Chilika Lake is home to a rich and diverse ecosystem, with over 160 species of birds and 200 species of fish. You can spot rare and endangered animals here, like the Irrawaddy dolphin, which calls the lake home. Experience the beauty of the lake, up close with boating and other water activities. Watch the sunrise or sunset over the lake, or enjoy a romantic boat ride with your loved one. It's a truly unforgettable experience. Don't miss out on a visit to Chilika Lake. It's a perfect getaway for anyone seeking tranquility and natural beauty in one of India's most picturesque regions. The Konark Sun Temple was built during the reign of King Narasingha Deva in the 13th century and is one of the few surviving structures of that period. The temple was dedicated to the sun god, Surya, and is known for its stunning architecture and intricate carvings. This temple is known for its highly ornate and detailed sculptures, many of which depict scenes from Hindu mythology and daily life in ancient India. The Konark Sun Temple is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its exceptional architectural and cultural significance. Despite its historical and cultural importance, the temple has faced numerous challenges over the centuries, including damage from natural disasters, looters, and exposure to natural elements. The Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves in Odisha, India, hold a rich history and cultural significance. These 2,000-year-old rock-cut caves located in Bhubaneswar were created as a residence for Jain monks and boast intricate carvings and paintings depicting Jain mythology, elephants, lions, and deities. The inscriptions provide valuable information on the reign of King Kharavela. Today, these well-preserved caves are a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world and offering a unique glimpse into India's rich cultural heritage. A visit to these caves is a must for history buffs and those interested in India's cultural heritage. The Puri Jagannath Temple was built in the 12th century by King Anantavarman Chodaganga. It is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. The temple is known for its unique architecture, which features a mix of Kalinga, Orison, and Dravidian styles. The temple is also known for its incredible kitchen, which is capable of feeding thousands of pilgrims each day. Whether you are a believer of Hinduism, a lover of history and architecture, or simply interested in exploring India's rich cultural heritage, a visit to the Puri Jagannath Temple is a must.